If you talk any single sentence for Bangla, you bound to pay 20 taka. So this environment, it's make me motivated. Hello, assalamu alaikum. Today I would like to talk about my English therapy journey. My name is Abdullah Al Mamont and my best name is 176. When I came English therapy, that time I saw good environment for learning English. First of all, I watched this type of environment, which environment is totally English learning environment. Because I visited many coaching center, but they are not provide this type of environment. When I admitted there and when I see English therapy environment, that time I realized English therapy environment is so much good because they provide 24 hours English talking environment, and they focus just for English. If you talk any single sentence for Bangla, you bound to pay 20 taka. So this environment, it's make me motivated. So that's why I admitted here, and now my course is finished. Before admit English therapy, I couldn't say properly any sentence, but right now I say something. It will be any topic. It's my big opportunity. It's make me happy. I am proud of English therapy student as a student. When I went my dormitory, that time I found so many friends. There are so much serious for learning English, so it was good for us. And when I stay with there, that time I feel they are also so much serious, and I am also so much serious. We are created English learning environment. Always we are talking just for English. That's why after 3 months later, we feel very confident because I think sometimes when I talking Bangla, that time I face mumbling problem because in these 3 months I didn't say any single Bangla, because when I said Bangla, that time they fine Jorimana. So that's why in this 3 months I didn't say any Bangla sentence. That's why after 3 months later I feel my fluency. Because if you think that 3 months is not a big deal, 3 months is a big time, 90 days. So 90 days, if you practice for just English, every moment and every second, if you practice for English and English learning environment, so it was good for learning English. So it was our English therapy journey. Thank you very much for listening patiently. Have a good day.